All right, welcome back to the O'Neill's Adventures channel. So we talked about filleting the fish. We showed you a video of filleting the crappie fish that we caught, seasoning it up. And so here we have our mustard seasoning with all our seasonings on it. Now we're going to show you how to fry it up. The last segment will be on eating. We've already tasted it, and it is voila. Okay. So here, come around here, Bryson. We have our fryer at about 375. Okay. You want it to be really hot, really ready to cook. Now we have our flour and we have our fish. We are going to don't dip your fillets into the flour until you're ready to dip it into the grease. So we're ready. Alright, so here we go. Take a few of these things.
You said after you're done, after you're done, I'm going to put
No need to put a whole bunch in there. Alright, now we're going to shake them up. Okay. Look at that.
Alright.
Good, huh? Alright, now we're just going to dip them in. This is called a mustard crappie nugget batter. Be careful, y'all. Really hot. Okay, now we're going to let these fry up. Get one more picture of them frying good. Batter it up. Golden brown, look at that. Looking good. Alright, we'll come back once these are out. Give another little video of how we cook them till they're golden brown. Next video will be the O'Neill clan.
And next one.
Thank you.